Hi, what is happening, guys? It's been some time. This is my first. Oh no, my cup, not the Yeti cup. Gotta stay hydrated out here. This is our first official outing of 2022. Haven't been really posting much. I ended up moving away from home, about 4 hours away. Came to finish off my bachelor's degree out here in Wilminton, North Carolina. But yeah, now I got a little bit of free time. It's time to do some fishing. So what we're gonna start off with is this little tube on a, I think 116 ounce jig head, or 132. Do a little creek fishing today. And let's see what we can catch. See anything? I see a couple of bluegill. Oh, there's a turtle. It's the first turtle I've seen this year too. It's a bunch of bluegill. There he goes. He's on the run. Oh, I got one. Oh, it's a bass. Oh man, get out of here. There goes our first official fish of 2022. Off a little tube. It's a beautiful bass. Some strong colors on them. Yeah, just a regular largemouth. Not a spotted. Take a picture of them. There he goes. Oh, there goes the turtle. Hot Mr. Turtle. I didn't even see that bass. He was actually like finger in there. Alright. Catch another one. He was right off that wall too. Oh, there we go. What is this? I think it's a bluegill. Oh no, stuck. There you go. Is this a green sunfish? A red breast. Some beautiful colors. This creek is pretty clear. Let's get that out of there. Alright, time to release the little, what is this, red breast? Red breast. Oh, he has parasites on him. There should be some nice fish in here. Oh, that was a bait. There you go. Oh, it's a little micro bass. Cool, I barely even hooked him. Look at that. Alright, got the camera wet. Is that good? Yeah. Right in the side of the mouth. Baby little bass. There you go. Get a little nicer. Another bluegill. That's another red breast. These red breasts have some awesome colors on them. I don't know how good y'all can see that. There we go. Beautiful. Alright, come on, one more fishy. There we go. Gonna be the biggest bass of the day. Nice. Looks like they've been feeding on crustaceans. Still got some sharp teeth. About what, a 12-inch bass? Ain't too shabby for here. There you go. And gone just like that. Alright, so we're gonna, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a little bridge. We're gonna work our way down there and past that. See if we catch anything down there. Ah, shit. Alright, we're good. Oh, there we go. Oh man, this is my biggest fish of the day. Hold up, Aaliyah. Oh. Oh man. Oh man. That's a juicy one. Say a pound, pound and a half. Look at that. I was not expecting fish this big to be here. Bro, this man is fat. He got attacked probably by a gator. Oh man. That's crazy. Dang, I should have brought my scale. Oh well. Look at that. That's the best fish of the day right there. Beautiful, beautiful. There he goes. Oh man, I gave him a good old belly flop. Oh. Alright, I'm happy with that. Nice. It was right after this tree. Oh, there we go. Got another one. Oh man. Oh, it is a dark one. Oh, alright, relax, relax, relax. About the same size as the other one. Bro, today is a great day for fishing. That's crazy. It's another pounder. Pound and a half. Crazy. That. It was right over there, right in front of me. I'm gonna have to move out of this spot that ain't producing. So what? Where am I at? There we go. Another one. Right before. Oh. This one has a little fight to him. This might be the biggest one for the day. Let's get down here. Oh, get away from that. Oh, get away from that too. Hopefully there's no gators around here. Oh, there we go. That's a smaller one. Bro, all these fish are just fat. Oh. Isn't that bad either. I mean, it depends on the reptile too, because remember, like, tank, he doesn't really need like substrate. Oh, there we go. Another one. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's another. Oh, get out the weeds. No. Get out of there. Oh, man. Just gonna drag it a little bit. This one's pulling. Oh, give me a second. Oh, man. Look at that. This might be the biggest one of the day. Oh man. Put a fresh grub on there. I'm doing that work. A little tank. Look at that belly. Awesome day. Might be pushing almost 2 maybe. Yeah, about 2. And for the release, oh, I'm sorry. Oh my bro, I'm horrible at releasing fish. I made him smack his side so bad. Yeah, but I don't know. There we go. I got one. Hold up, Leah. What is this? Hold up, just give me a second. Oh man, this might be the biggest one of the day. What is it? Oh man, I think it's a bowfin. Hold up. Oh my god. Elliot, hold up. Hold up. Oh man. Oh shit. Bro, I've always wanted to catch this fish. Oh my god. Bro, my heart is beating. Oh man. Oh, how do I get up there? No, get out of there. Fuck! No fucking way. Oh, he broke off. Fucking shit. Oh my god. Oh, bro, I lost him. He snapped off. Both him, bro. Oh my fuck, bro, that shit was at least like, I'll say at least 5 pounds. Oh, no way, bro. That cannot, no way. No fucking way. What the bruh, that broke my heart. Not even, probably like 15. Because I'm not that far away from where it enters the... Okay, finally a fish. Pull up a little. It's a little small one. Oh, fast. Oh, calm down. Man, it's jumpy. It's not exactly a bowfin, but it's another bass. Ah, you got me. Bro, all these fish are chunky. Chunky fish. Oh, I need to catch a bowfin. But I'm really hurt about that bowfin. I had him in my sights. There we go. Is that bass? Yep. Oh yeah, get up here. Might be my best day for bass fishing. I've never caught this many bass this size consistently. Oh man, it's a little nicer one. A little chunkier. Most of their mouths are small, but nevertheless, it's a bass. Oh no, he took off my tail. Crazy. There you go. Oh yeah, perfect nosedive.